Hi kids, welcome back to grade 6 digital learning. Hope you all are safe and healthy at home. Well, for today's class in English, we are going to see Unit 1, Section 2. So this is a short story, A Visit to the Doctor, which is written by Roald Dahl. And in this video, we are going to see 4 important things: introduction to the author, introduction to the lesson, story, and then the summary at last. So first let us see an introduction to the author, and he is Roald Dahl, who is the author of this short story. He was born on 13th September 1916 and died on 23rd November 1990. He was a novelist, poet and a screenwriter by profession. He has won so many awards. I have given 2 notable awards of Roald. One is World Fantasy Award and the other one is British Book Award. And he was called the Children's Author of the Year 1990. Secondly, we shall see an introduction to the lesson. So as I already told you, A Visit to the Doctor, it is a short story written by Roald Dahl. And this story is a memorable extract from his autobiography called Boy. In the previous video, I told you what is autobiography, right? A written account of oneself is called autobiography, that is writing about the life of oneself. So, and this lesson is about his childhood visit to the doctor for an operation. So, every one of us will usually have the fear of visiting the doctor, especially children when they see needles, knives and scissors lying around them. Am I right? Yeah. So, this lesson deals with one such experience of the author. Now, moving on to the lesson. Once the author had to make a visit to the doctor for an operation. During that time, he was with his grandparents in Norway. Actually, he has gone there to his grandparents' house during the summer holidays. So his mother came to him and said that they are going to the doctor that afternoon, and the doctor wanted to have a look at his mouth and nose. He asked his mother what was wrong with his nose and mouth. His mother told him not to worry, but she told him that he has got an adenoids. Adenoids is nothing but a swollen or bulged soft thing at the back of the nose and throat, which causes breathing difficulties. But his mother is telling him not to worry. So Roald, he held his mother's hand as they both walked to the doctor's house. So when they reached the doctor's house, he was taken to the treatment room and made to sit in a kind of a dentist chair. The doctor, he looked into his mouth and nose. After examining, he took his mother to one side and talked with her in a very soft voice. So his mother was looking very serious and she agreed to what the doctor was suggesting. Then the doctor boiled some water in a metal mug and then placed a long, thin, shiny instrument in it. He was not frightened, that is, Roald, he was not frightened or worried, as he did not know what was going to happen to him. So meanwhile, a nurse entered and tied a red rubber apron around his neck. It was very big. Then she held a curved bowl under his chin. So then the doctor came with a sharp metal blade in his hand and asked him to open his mouth, but he refused to open his mouth, thinking that he is going to do something with his teeth. But you know what? The doctor, he spoke to him very gently and kindly. Meanwhile, he opened his mouth. Immediately, the doctor started operating on the adenoids using the sharp blade. He gave 4 or 5 quick little twists in the roof of the mouth, and the next moment, a whole lot of blood and flesh fell into the basin. So he was very shocked. Roald was very shocked on seeing so much blood coming out of his mouth, and he started crying bitterly because of the pain. He held his mother's hand very firmly, very tightly. Then the doctor told him that he is done with removing his adenoids. But the blood still was dripping down from his mouth into the bowl. Then the nurse wiped his lips and washed his face. They lifted him out of the chair. He felt shaky. He couldn't even stand. but somehow he managed to stand on his feet. So now the operation is over. So Roald and his mother, they walked for half an hour to reach their home. There was not even a taxi in those days. They had to walk such a long distance to reach their home. So this was in 1924 when there was no advanced techniques and equipments to remove these adenoids. But now with the advent of technology, we have so many advanced techniques for these operations, right? And this is all about the lesson. I have given a short summary of this story. Just go through it and watch the video repeatedly until you understand it clearly. So meet you in the next video. Thank you.